Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite tools. Today, we're tackling something simple yet super useful: how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets for 2025. If you've ever wanted your spreadsheets to look cleaner and more professional, especially for presentations or reports, this quick tutorial is for you. It's a straightforward process that can make a big difference in how your data appears. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have a spreadsheet open. Google Sheets is free and accessible from any device, so fire it up on your computer or even your phone for this. Now, let's get to the steps. Head over to the top menu bar and click on View. This menu is your gateway to customizing your sheet's appearance. In the drop-down list, you'll see an option labeled Gridlines. It's usually checked by default, as gridlines help with alignment, but if you want a seamless look, just uncheck that box. Poof! The grid lines vanish from your entire sheet. But what if you're working with a multi-sheet document and only want to remove grid lines from one specific tab? No problem. Simply switch to the sheet you want to edit and repeat the process. It's that easy and doesn't affect the other sheets. One quick tip: if you're planning to print your sheet, grid lines might still show up in the print preview. To fix that, go to File, Greater than, Print, and in the print settings, look for the formatting options where you can toggle grid lines off. This ensures your final output is as clean as your on-screen view. There you have it. A fast way to declutter your Google Sheets and make your work stand out. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves organizing data, this hack will save you time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.